If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Slack, follow these steps to regain access to your account. This process will help you disable and re-enable two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into Slack. Start by logging into your Slack account using your username and password. If you are unable to log in due to two-factor authentication, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Account and then click on Account Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to two-factor authentication. In the account settings, look for the Security section. Here, you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to view your current two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. To reset your two-factor authentication, you will need to disable it first. Follow the prompts to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the setup process, which typically involves scanning a QR code with your authentication app or receiving a new verification code via SMS or email. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Slack. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Slack support for further assistance.